We've been in the blind for about an hour. So, this is the first time this blind's been hunted. So we got pretty high hopes. Got the Mathews. And we got our bait down at about 20 yards. So, first time in Canada hunting. So here we go. It's night number 3. Last night, my dad took his first bear, and the weather's finally settled in a little bit. We're trying a new setup. We're in the rhino blind, and looking at a bait pile at about 20 yards. We can't see much here. It's literally just a shooting lane. And so when they come in, it's gonna happen fast. But I'm excited. Got high hopes for tonight. Here we go. It's day 4. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, day 4. It has been slow. It's hot. The flies are terrible. My hands are swollen. I'm getting bit so much. And I have not seen a bear all week long. It's been tough. We got up this morning at 4, hunted till 9. We're back out. It's 2 o'clock, 2:30. And we're gonna hunt. It doesn't, shooting light ends at like 9:45 tonight. So another long sit. Dad has his bear. Got the second night. Ben's out. And he hasn't seen anything either. So it's been tough. But we got high hopes tonight. Weather's good. Rained us out last night. So now we just sit and wait. We'll check back in. Just the last night. We have an hour left. The last night. Yes.
Running now?
Yes, sir. So I was answering text messages. And I look up and that dude came right out. You can see my arrow right there.
Yeah. Yep.
He came out and came onto the pile.
Yeah.
He got here. And so I get all the camera equipment turned on and went to draw back on him. And he didn't like something, caught movement. He just took. What's that?
Your dad.
Who's he with?
My dad.
Okay. So he took off before I could shoot. I drew back on him. And I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But like he didn't go, and he like went a few feet, turned around, came right back in. We got on the top of that log, heading to the rocks. And he stretched the foot forward, and I shot him a little back, kind of on purpose. But
yeah,
when he turned, you could see the blood just spraying out.
Awesome.
It's awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
Blood.
They look a lot bigger when they're walking up looking at you. That's all right.
And I'm telling you.
That's why he's small.
This is right there.